Here we will write a Python program to accept list elements and a number and print list elements that are greater than given number. So first in comment line we will write first we'll define list, so L equal to square bracket. Then we'll accept total number of elements to store in the list from the user. So N equal to int input enter total number to accept, and we'll define one variable I which is initialized with 0. Then we'll use while loop to accept the list elements. So while I less than n, then we'll accept the list element as E equal to int input enter element, and we'll append this element to list. So L dot append E, and we'll increase I equal to I plus 1. First we'll print original list as print L. Then we'll accept the number to check. So num equal to int input enter number to check, and we are going to print the list elements that are greater than num. So we'll use for loop. So for x in L we will check if x greater than num, we will print x, and we execute this. I will give total number to accept as 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print original list as 4, 5, 7, 2, 6. Then I will give the number 5. It will print 7 and 6. We will print message here numbers from list greater than num. And before while loop we will also print message enter list elements, and we execute again. It will ask total number to accept. I will give 5. Then it will print the message enter list elements. I will give the elements. It will print original list as 4, 5, 6, 3, 8. Then I will give the number 4. It will print numbers from list greater than 4 are 5, 6, 8.